Daddy, you need to help me.
Hello everyone! For today's vlog, mag-unbox tayo ng pink walker ni Baby Jeremiah. So, binili lang namin to sa Walmart. Naka-clearance lang siya ng $15. So, importante yung matutong maglakad si Baby Jeremiah kasi ilang buwan mo lang tong gagamitin. Enjoy watching Precious Moment!
Hey, it's pink.
Guys,
You got a pink one for our little baby boy?
guys, sorry, we bought this on clearance. So, oops, my goodness, be careful, baby. Doesn't matter. Important, my baby can learn to walk. So it's a pink unboxing
It
walker.
was cheap.
It's just $15. Before is how much is that? 50, 60.
Looks like it's gonna be easy to put together.
You covered Jeremiah.
You want that one? Here. There. That one goes.
And of course, I wear with the whole.
Want them too? That one goes. That one goes.
Did you figure out? Hi. Hi. Tiki, tiki, tiki. Where's the menu? Yep, that's the first one. Hey, look. You have to do the two front first. Two front first.
How do I get it back down?
Two front first, then.
Yeah, but how do I get it back down? Yeah, put it over there. How do you get it back down?
So,
It's locked.
here you have put backwards. This two is in the front right here. Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right.
Look, how do we? No, this right here. How do you unlock this? Okay. You slide all of that.
That's why they said you have to do that first because
Slide all of that.
you can see it.
How do you get it back down? I'm just.
So you adjust only. Open it. And that's weird.
I didn't know it
You
just
really
popped open.
adjust.
It just popped open.
Oh, the only the adjustable is here. Just slide it. Slide it.
I don't know. It don't matter.
Oh, I think you have to unscrew.
No. How does these go?
I need to clean that first.
No, it's backwards. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? God.
How about this one? I have to clean them first. Hold on.
It's stuff to hold on to, I think.
Make
No,
sure
look.
put in the.
Look, this tab.
Oh yeah.
Tab. No.
I have to wipe it first. There you go, guys.
You ready for that? Well, we can't take
You
it
need
back,
to-
right? So this box.
Don't ruin it, cause if in case we don't need it. Test it. You need to start buying the sanitize.
Here we go.
You ready? Daddy, you need to help me. Hey, Annie. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at the baby. When you have a baby, it's like an exciting moment. Look. That's perfect. I think it's high. So you can touch the floor.
Well, if you put him in there, he might actually move a little bit.
Yay! Hi! Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. He's not ready to walk, but he... Beep, beep. Oh my God! Aray.
The other side.
Jeremiah, first time to ride.
Take the other
No,
side.
no, don't do that like that.
Yeah, we
Hi,
got it.
baby. Hi. Yeah, first time niyang sinubukan yung walker niya.
Okay, finally I learned how to adjust Mickey Mouse walker. Okay, I will show it to you. So, dito siya ina-adjust. So, papakita ko. So, twist nyo, tapos push nyo lang. Push nyo lang, tapos yun na. Ayan, o diba? Tapos, kung i-open nyo na naman, twist, tapos adjust nyo lang siyang ganyan. Tapos, make sure naka-cross na siyang ganyan. Ayun lang. Twist, push, down. And, kung open nyo na naman siya, push, twist na naman. Para mag-lock lang siya. Ayun, tapos, ayan. Twist, push, ayan. Push, and twist. Ayun lang, salamat. So, para maliwanag, so, iti-twist nyo siyang ganyan. Tapos, push. Push nyo siya, tapos, bababa na yan. Ayan, o diba? Bababa na siya. Tapos, push nyo lang para mag-lock na naman. Ayan. Ayan. Kinocross nyo siyang ganyan pag in-open. Cross, push. Push, push, push. Make sure nasa line siya. Hindi siya mag-down pag wala siya sa line. Ayun lang.